We're staying in the reusing content.dwg file, and I've left it in the same state as it was at the end of the last video. So our hinge is a block, our bolt is a block, our keyhole is a block, and we've also inserted another incidence of that keyhole block reference. So what happens now if I need to redefine a block definition? How do I do that? How do I redefine a block? Well, the good thing about blocks is you can explode them. So if I now hover over this keyhole here, and you can see it's a block reference, and I can go to the explode command on the modify panel on the home tab on the ribbon. If I explode that, it goes back to the 0 layer, you'll notice. This is still a block. This block reference still exists. This is now a group of arcs on the layer 0. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to redefine my keyhole block. What I'm going to do is I'm going to delete that arc there, and I'm going to draw a line, and it's going to make for a weird shaped keyhole, I have to say, and I'm going to press enter like so. Make sure, though, that your line here is also on the layer 0. It all needs to be on layer 0. I'll just hit escape now to deselect. Now, I want to redefine my block. So what I do is I now go up here to create block again on the block panel, and I select my keyhole block. And the thing is now I can go in and redefine it. So I can pick a point again over here like so, use the same center snap. I can select the objects like I did previously. Again, enter or right click to confirm. Notice there's the preview. Scale uniformly and allow exploding. I won't open it in the block editor. And I'm converting it to a block again. Now, I'm deliberately using convert to block because then you can see what happens next. When I click on OK, I now get told that keyhole is already defined as a block in the drawing. Would you like to redefine it? Yes, I do want to redefine it. So if I redefine that block, note what happens to the other block. It goes to the shape of the newly redefined block here on the left-hand side. And that's how you can redefine block definitions in a drawing very quickly and easily. I might have 650 keyholes on this drawing. I can explode one of the blocks, redefine it, and I can update all of them in one go, just like I've done there. It saves a lot of time and it makes you a lot more productive.